In this unit, we will learn about model of classifications. First of all, Dauvergne triads. Second, Newland's law of octave. Third, Mendeleev periodic table. All these models based upon atomic mass. Dauvergne law of triads. It was given by Dauvergne in 1829. Dauvergne was the first scientist to classify the elements in some groups. He tried to classify the elements with similar properties in groups of 3 elements, that is known as triad. He could succeed in making only a few triads. In the triad of elements, the atomic weight of the middle element was the arithmetic mean of atomic weight of other 2 elements. For example, in first triad, we have 3 elements: lithium, sodium and potassium. Mass of lithium is 7, for sodium 23, and mass of potassium is 39. Then, according to Dauvergne law of triad, mass of the middle element is the arithmetic mean of other 2. That is 7 plus 39 divided by 2 is equal to 23. Similarly, for second triad, for calcium, mass is 40. For strontium, it is 87.6. For barium, it is 137. Then by taking arithmetic mean, 40 plus 137 divided by 2 is equal to 88.5, which is nearly equal to 87.6. So that is the main motive of the Dauvergne triad. That is, mass of the middle element is the arithmetic mean of other 2. Then every model has some merits and demerits. Dauvergne could arrange only a few elements as triads. This method is not applicable for all the elements. Then after Dauvergne, Newland's law of octaves. It is given by Newland in 1865. In 1864, Newland noted that every 8th element showed similar physical and chemical properties when the elements are placed in increasing order of atomic masses. This was called as the Newland's law of octave. It's just like the musical notes sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa, in which first letter is so and 8th letter again sa. It means the first and 8th letter shows resemblance in properties when we arrange element in increasing order of atomic masses. Then the properties of the 8th element are repeated. Then Newland's octave arranged these elements: hydrogen, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, sodium. When we start from lithium 1, beryllium 2, boron 3rd, carbon 4, nitrogen 5th, oxygen 6th, fluorine 7, and sodium 8. Properties of lithium resembles with sodium. So that is, it means that when we arrange element in increasing order of their mass, then resemblance of properties will take place. Every 8th element shows repetition of the properties. Then merits and demerits of the Newland's law of octave. This idea is not widely accepted at that time, but he was later awarded with Dewey Medal in 1887 by the Royal Society, London. Moreover, this model is applicable only for the lighter element. It's not applicable for heavier elements. Then Mendeleev's periodic table. Mendeleev's research was based on the 63 elements that were known at that time. He studied the relationship between the atomic mass of the element and their physical and chemical properties. He studied the formation of hydrides and oxides of the element and treated this as one of the basic properties of an element. The periodic table contains vertical columns called groups and horizontal rows called periods. He placed elements that had similar properties under vertical columns, leaving blank spaces for the elements not yet discovered. While Daubrunier initiated the study of periodic relationship, it was Mendeleev who was responsible for publishing the periodic law for the first time. It states as follows: the properties of the elements are a periodic function of their atomic weights. Mendeleev's periodic law: the physical and chemical properties of elements are a periodic function of their atomic weights. If the elements are arranged in order of their increasing atomic weight after a regular interval, elements with similar properties are repeated. On the basis of his law, Mendeleev proposed a periodic table for classification of elements, which is known as Mendeleev's periodic table. This is the periodic table proposed by Mendeleev. Vertical columns are known as groups, that is the groups. Horizontal rows are known as periods. In this table, total we have 8 groups and we have 6 periods. Further, one group is divided in 2 subgroups. It is represented by A and B. Merits or advantages of Mendeleev's periodic table. Study of elements. First time, all known elements were classified in a group according to their similar properties, so study of the properties of element become easier. Prediction of new elements. It gave encouragement to the discovery of new elements as some gaps were left in it. Scandium, germanium were the elements for whom position and properties were defined by Mendeleev even before their discoveries. He left the blank spaces for them in his table. Blank space at atomic weight 72 in group was called Eka silicon, and element discovered later was named germanium. Eka aluminium, that is gallium. Eka boron, that is scandium. Demerits of the Mendeleev's periodic table. Mendeleev is not able to explain position of hydrogen because it shows similarity in properties with alkali metal as well as with the halogens. Position of isotopes. As atomic weight of the isotopes differ, they should have been placed in different positions in Mendeleev's periodic table, but there were no such positions for isotopes in Mendeleev periodic table. Then some anomalous pairs of the element. There were some pairs of the element which did not follow the increasing order of atomic weights. For example, argon and cobalt were placed before potassium and nickel respectively in the table, but having higher atomic weights. Like elements were placed in different groups. Platinum and silver have similar properties, were placed in groups 8 and group 1b respectively. Position of isotopes. As atomic weight of the isotopes differ, they should have been placed in different positions in Mendeleev periodic table, but there is no such position for the isotopes. Thank you.